vending machine.
Today we're going to build a vending machine. We are going to use our Lego Spike Prime and we're going to use the ultrasonic sensor to detect when a coin is put into a machine. So we're going to build some sort of box, we're going to put a coin in there, and when we put the coin in, the robot will release some food of some sort, or treat, or toy, or something that you want to put in your vending machine. Here are some rules for you to follow when you build your vending machine. example, I actually had two motors. I had two mechanisms that would release the Mentos. But you don't need to have two. You can have just one. You can do this any way you like. It's not that complicated. The complicated thing is building it. Constructing your vending machines, the tricky part. Coding it should be quite simple. We're not going to use this when program starts block though. Instead, I'm going to go to the events and choose the one that looks like it's got the ultrasonic sensor or distance sensor on it. The distance sensor is going to detect the coin that we drop in. And I like to say centimeters rather than percent. Percent's a bit weird for me. I like to use centimeters because then you can decide how close something is. Or if you're an American, you can use inches. But for me, in Australia, I'm going to say if something gets within 2 centimeters. Well, the closest you can really detect something is 4 centimeters. So enter 4 centimeters, and then when the coin drops past that sensor, it should register, providing that the wall inside the machine isn't closer than 4 centimeters. So the sensor needs to have nothing in front of it for up to 4, maybe 5 centimeters to be safe. And then the coin needs to slide down in front of it, as you'll see in the video. After the coin is detected, and I often just plug the sensors into B. I just do that as a habit. I always plug my sensors into B if there's one sensor, because then it's easy to remember when I'm building it where to plug it in. When the sensor detects the coin, we're going to get the motor to do something. Now, it comes down to how you construct your robot. But for the one you saw in my video, I did a very simple thing. I just said, when the coin gets closer than 4 centimeters, then the motor that's plugged into port A just did one full rotation. So the one you could see on top with the Mentos, that just did one rotation. It spun once, but I stuck a brick in one of the 4 holes on one of the turning parts of the motor, and because it was in an unusual position, when it turned once, it made it kind of go up and down. Now you might have a different mechanism, but seriously, that's all you need to have. If you've got a simple mechanism with one motor, when the coin goes past it, it turns one rotation, and that's really all you need to do. When you connect and press play, it can run that. Now you could do some fancy things. You could even have the brick on top displaying something. So you could have something like this. When the program starts, you could display something on the brick. You could say a message, and it could say something like insert coin. Okay, so when you do insert the coin, it will do this, but then afterwards, you could even say another message after the motor goes around, and it could say thank you, or it could say processing, or it could say please wait, or something like that. Now, one of the other parts of my vending machine, I had a small drawer at the bottom that opened as well. So we could do another block, and we could have another one of these, change it to centimeters or inches, and you could say the other motor actually just went forwards and backwards a quarter of a turn. So my other motor, I might plug the other motor into E, and I would make it go a quarter of a turn one way, and then I can duplicate that by holding it down or right clicking on it, depending on what device you're using. Still plugged in E, but it went back the other way. Okay, so I'm going to make sure this says B as well, because our ultrasonic distance sensor is plugged into B. So when it goes closer, when the coin goes past it, basically, one motor will turn for a full rotation, and the message on the hub will say thank you. And the other coin, and at the same time, when the coin goes past, the other motor is going to go forward for a quarter rotation and backwards for a quarter rotation. Now, it might happen too quickly. It might even happen before the food gets down there or whatever. So you could do something like this and say, wait 2 seconds and then close again. Okay? So that's all the coding that I did for my machine. I didn't even have these things. You could even have sounds. You could add sounds if you wanted to as well. You could play sounds, and you can even record sounds and put sounds over here. Maybe over here might be a good place to do it, or over here. Okay. And you can always change the sounds too. You can edit sounds, record, add sounds. You can change. Whoa, you change it to any sound you like. Okay. If you don't, you can actually find a sound. Thank you. Try thank you. Oops. Thunderstorm doesn't say thank you. Say yes. No. Say laugh. Here we go. Let's try laughing male. So, when you go here, you can choose laughing male, and when you put the coin in, it should laugh like a male. Excellent, excellent. Remember, the sounds come out of your device, not out of the hub, so you'll have to have your device turned up. So it's time to pause this video now, or keep watching if you want to see the teacher instructions. The teacher setup for the vending machines is pretty straightforward. You just need to provide a lot of cardboard for the kids, old food boxes or cardboard boxes, or even just sheets of cardboard. You might have some coloured cardboard in your classroom you can use. Any cardboard's good. And they need to either bring, or you need to bring, some items for the vending machine, such as candy or lollies, such as chips or crisps, or toys, or cans of drink even, or Tetra packs of drinks. Something that the machine can store and distribute without much fuss. If it's food, it really should be wrapped up somehow, unless it's small items of food like M&Ms or Mentos. And then the kids might want to print out some labels or some instructions for people to use. Even pictures of coins might go well on the machine, or pictures of the actual product that they've got in their machine. Things like the labels and printouts, well, the kids can come up with those later anyway. They don't need to be done before the lesson. Don't forget, with all my videos, at the bottom of the screen there's handy ways to score, even extension ideas, and in the description there's also links to some self-assessment and teacher assessment spreadsheets and a comprehensive lesson plan for every lesson. So check out the bottom of the video in the description for some really handy tools that you can use when teaching kids. And if you haven't already, check out all my other lessons in this playlist.